is Simon. We are here at Winka Vista Center in Nyungwe as Action College tourism class. We are visiting Nyungwe. We are doing two activities. We are doing the zip line. Down there, we're going to do the canopy. It is a tourism class, and every time we are in class, we have to make sure we go to the field and put in practice whatever we study in theory. So it's very cold. It's been raining since morning, but all the same, we are very excited. We are going for the canopy, we're going for the zip line, and we want to welcome everyone, whoever wants to come to join us in all our trips. We're going to be moving around the country. So that's what Action College does with tourism. So whoever wants to come and join, you're most welcome. We are in Nyungwe. Next time we're going to be in RUBAVU, we're going to be in Gishwati, we're going to be in Volcanoes National Park, Akagera. So we're going to be moving around the country. We are very excited. We can't wait to experience the zip line and the canopy. You're most welcome. Thank you so much.
How the zip line is it?
Will you be on the zip line?
This is my first time I'm going to do it.
Do you think it's going to be scary or it's going to be easy?
No, I'm not scared.
You're not scared?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Urikumva umeze ute ugiye kujya kuri canopy, ugiye kujya kuri zip line for the first time? Ufite ubwoba?
Ndishimye muri nje.
Urikumva mu kirere uri buze kumaramo igihe kingana iki mu kirere utaragera?
30.
Minota 30. Nta kibazo. Utararya utaranywa. Nta kibazo. Aha, uri kuyumva gute?
Ngiye ndikumva nyine ntazi ukuntu meze, ndabona bari kunkerereza.
Mude meze ute?
Ndikumva nyine mfite amashyushyu yo kugera hari.
Baragukerereje kabisa. Tubwire, urikumva bimeze gute? Watitiye?
Ariko ndashaka kujya.
Nago kigiye hose?
Ngiye kujya mukandi.
Okay. Good. January tubwire. Tubwire urikumva bimeze gute?
Ningaruka amahoro mushima Imana nago mbizi ko ndi bugaruke.
Uragaruka. Reka nuyatubwire. Urikumva bimeze gute?
Ndishimye, I'm excited. I can't wait to have that
experience. And it is a whole lot of 30 minutes. Will you be able to handle?
I'm
Scared. But of all the same, you're going to do it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are now getting ready, and let's go and dress up. Stand up. Okay, now I want to say my last word with Samuela. Samuela was our tallest girl, so we want Samuela to tell us how he felt with the experience on the zip line and the canopy walk. Tell us.
The zip line was very good, but I get some accident maybe, but it's good. I get experience, I really enjoy it, everything is good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of our Nyungwe tour. We really enjoyed the canopy walk. We enjoyed the zip line, and now we are from our late lunch and everyone is very excited. I want to know from the people, can you tell us, did you enjoy? How was it? What did you enjoy the most? Oh, you enjoyed the food. What did you enjoy? Why did you enjoy? Enjoyed the hiking from the zip line. Did you enjoy anything?
Zip line and hiking.
Wow. Did you enjoy anything? Everything. Good. So thank you so much. Looking forward to another trip like this one. Thank you, Action College. Thank you.